Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video. Actually, we have started our very important topic, like how we'll write a thesis paper or how we'll format our paper properly before starting our thesis paper writing. Okay, so in our previous video I have just shown you that how we'll manage our page layout or how we'll manage our page setup. So in our previous video I have shown you that before starting a thesis writing or project or journal writing, this is the first and most important thing, that how we'll manage your page layout or page setup, right, or page margin. So if you're new here, you can watch our previous video from description. I have already provided that link in description. So in this video or in this lecture, I'm just going to show you that how we'll use that style. Okay, this is the our what will be actually our heading, then subheading or subheading of our subheading. Okay, then how will be the normal format. So actually when will our text body will be our normal format. So I'll just see everything gradually, and I'll just request you, please be patient with me, because it's taking so time to discuss about it, and that's why I'm just creating part by part video so that you can understand properly, and I'm just ensuring that I'm able to discuss about it properly. So first of all, we'll go here. First of all, our first work is normal. Okay, our first work is normal. Now from your thesis supervisor, first of all you have to learn or you have to know some information about that, what will be the heading of the topic. I mean, what will be the size or style. Here this is the text style. Okay, font style, what will be the font, or what will be the font style, or what will be the font size of your heading. Then what will be for subheading, or for heading 2, for heading 3, for heading 4, or for normal. Okay, actually for like that text, what will be the size. So I'm just giving you some random data, and you have to maintain that data from your thesis supervisor or project supervisor. So first of all, I will go for normal. Right click, then click and modify. Okay, click here, modify. So when it's done, this is normal, and style for following paragraph, this is normal. So for normal, from here you have to select from formatting, you have to select the font. So from here I will select Times New Roman. So this is the universal accepted text format for thesis or journal, but your professor can recommend for other font. Just you have to know about them. After that is the font size. What will be the font size actually? So from here you have to select. So I'm just considering here 11. Okay, you can change it from here. Okay, after that, this is must use that option. Okay, use that option, because your line will start here and in here for every time. Okay, actually if you see in book, then you will see that your format is same in that side and same in that side. Okay, it should be right like that side. And here color, what will be the color of your text? Must black, you know that it will be black. So it's done. When it's done, in that, I mean here it's done actually. Now we'll go here format, and from here first of all we'll go font. So here we have done everything. This is regular. Now your thesis supervisor will tell you what about the font style: regular, italic, blot, or blot italic. So it will be regular for my case. Okay, so and here the size, and here there have some advanced features. I think this is not required for us, so I'll just leave it, then click OK. Okay, it's done. Now again I'll go format, then paragraphs. This is a important thing, the paragraph. Outline leaving format, body text, it's okay. And from here spacing, okay, spacing. What will be the spacing here actually, right? So spacing, and I'll just recommend to give it auto spacing before and after. I'll just recommend you to leave it auto. Okay, and also your supervisor will tell you that if you give here any data or any space before a paragraph or before a segment, suppose here if I increase that, sorry, if I increase that, just see here it's showing here the spacing, if you see here, and if I increase, it's giving you the more space. If I again increase, it's giving you more space. But it's depend on you that when you will use a normal text, I mean body of your text, then what will be the distance between one paragraph to another paragraph. Okay, so I will just give here auto. This is best. I will just to give here auto. Then from here what will be the line spacing? I have used in my thesis, it's 1.5, and you can use as per your supervisor requirements. So here single, I will just give, if you give single, the line will be very close, and if you use here 1.5, then it will be okay. And also you are able to use here, there are many options, so I'll use 1.5. when it's done, then okay. So just see here, it's a move. Now I'll just click here okay. Now see here, our that text have changed. Okay, or that text have changed, but for that page it have changed, but for that page it's have not changed. So I'll just take our mouse here and I'll select here, I mean I will click here for normal, and here I'll take our mouse here and I'll click here, and also for that paragraph I'll click here. Actually when you will write, okay, when you will write, it will take automatically. When you will write, suppose here if you write here something, suppose here normal is selected, and now here if I write here something, just see here when I'm writing, it's taking it's normally, okay. And if you see here something, that side and that side, they are okay. But when we are taking separate paragraph, here is on paragraph and here is on paragraph, they are giving some space in middle. So this spacing is that spacing what we have considered. So I'll again go modify. So from here paragraph, and here is the so this is the line spacing, and that was the spacing before or after. So if I just show you, just if I give 0.5 and if I give 0.6, then if I click OK, just see here now this spacing have removed, almost removed, because this is not visible actually. So I can go here and I'll go modify. Actually in this way you are able to modify everything when you will complete your work. Actually no need to worry about your work, that if your professor suggests any change or for anything, then what will be actually. So they have no tension about it. Okay, auto, then okay, okay. So now if you take some from here, if I take some line, so here and from here you are able to change it anytime. Okay, and its format will change. See again if I go here modify, from here paragraph, okay, from paragraph this is auto actually. Okay, this is auto, and if you change it, it will also change as per requirement. Okay, also if you change it, it will change as per requirement. This is 30, 34, 18. I'll just take it 18, then okay, so just see here it's changing, that shape are changing, and when you will start writing a new page, it will give you some extra benefit. So that's it. Now I will go for our another part. What is our another part? That will be heading 1. Okay, that will be heading 1. So I'll just delete that. Delete. Now I'll just go for heading. Suppose what will be the heading 1? In introduction, sorry, I'm sorry, this is introduction. First of all, this is introduction. Okay, this is our, suppose this is our topic 1, and here overview, this is theory. So suppose this is our 3 chapter, and this is the subtopic of our introduction. School, college, university. Suppose this is 3 subtopic, and this is the heading actually. So I'll go for, first of all, I'll go for heading. So I'll right click here, then I'll go for modify, and from here I'll select what will be our heading actually. Okay, so for that, if you first of all come here, so this is the heading, and after pressing enter, when you will select heading, and after selecting enter, they will move in normal mode. Okay, and here you have to select the formatting. I'm selecting Time New Roman, and here what will be the size of your heading, you can give here. So I'm just selecting here 16. Okay, I'm selecting here 16, and where your heading will be, my heading will be at middle, right? It will be at middle, and here it will also be at middle. It will be auto color, that will be automatic, and it will be blurred. It's done. Now I'll go here. Okay, I'll go here. This is the font. What will the font? It's also okay. And after that I'll go for paragraph. So here it's auto. Here's line 1.5. It's done, right? This is auto, and this is 1.5. Done. You can change that. Okay, you can change it. I'll suggest you do not take that data. So it's done, and line spacing it's 1.5. It's okay. So after that I'll click OK, and after that we'll go. Actually, this is same. Let's go for numbering. Okay, for heading we'll not select any numbering. Okay, we'll just give here none, and from here we'll just give none, then OK. Then when it's done, then we'll click OK. So after that we'll select that, and we'll use that is heading 1. Just see here, this is our heading 1. I mean, this is our heading, or you can give here chapter 1 like that. So just see here, this is your heading 1. Now we'll give here a subheading here. Okay, so what will be that will be heading 2. Right click, again modify that. Similarly, what will be here, and this is Time New Roman, and we're considering this is 13. Okay, this is blot, and it will be that side. Okay, left side, and it will be here. It's okay, and font it's also okay. This is same as previous. And for paragraph, this 1.5, then it's auto, this is okay, and everything is okay. Okay, then okay, and must remember that you have to select the 2 option here. Always select normal. Okay, here always select normal here, right? So it's done. So when done, click OK, and for that point click here. Just see, this is chapter 1, and it's showing 1.10, and you can change that numbering format. Okay, you can change that numbering format according to your requirement. So suppose to change numbering format, you can right click here like that and set numbering value. from here set numbering below, and from here you can change it according to requirement. Actually I'll show you that how we'll change that in future. So and from here also, from heading the modify, then from here the numbering you are able to change that, okay, and define new numbering format. Also you are able to change it or define new numbering format. From here you can give the numbering format from here according to requirement actually. So cancel, then cancel. When it's done, suppose the college will be subtopic of our school. So for that, so here school, then they have another, suppose college, it will be heading 2, and it will be also heading 2, and that will be our heading 1, and that will be our heading 2, like that. And here you can add chapter 2, and here you can add chapter 3. So in this way actually we'll change everything in next. So like that. And here you can add again school, college, university, like that. Okay, I'll just leave it. And here also take your mouse here, after that press enter, it will go here in normal format. Then right here school, college, university, like that. So again select them as a heading 2 and select both and give her heading 2, select both 3 and give heading 3. Just see here our chapter 1, this is your some subtopic. And now if you need more subtopic under school, okay, then how we'll do it actually under school, how we'll do it. So for that just you have to write here, or suppose if you think that you have write or something like that, just I'm sorry, suppose here you have write here something like that. Now you need another subtopic about it. Okay, so if I give a sub school, I'm just showing you here like that. So if you need to give your servicing or heading 3, now go here, sorry for it, go here, right click, then modify it, and for it give here a font size, I'm giving here 12, and here give Times New Roman, it's automatic, okay. Then go here font, it's also okay. You need, if you need to change that, you can change that. After that go here paragraph, okay. Then this is outline level 3, and here auto line spacing 1.5, and you can give here a spacing as per your requirement. They have no problem actually, okay. So it's auto, it's done. After that click here, okay, and here click okay. Now if you want to give your subtopic, go to heading 3. Just see here, this is your first, and here this is your second subtopic. Under that topic 1.1, 1.1, 1.1.1, and if you go here, it will be, if you need another write here something, and if you need here another subtopic, now go for 4, right click, modify, and from here time new, it's suppose it's 12, consider that it's 12, and from here it's heading 4, and the format, from here select your format, time new, and from here it's okay, okay. And from here go for paragraph, it's line spacing single or line spacing 1.5, it's up to you, okay. So it's done actually. Okay, then I'll just go here, okay, and click here, okay. So after that, if you select that and if you select 4, just see here, it's 1, it's 1.1, it's 1.1.1, I mean under that subtopic, that is. So like that. And if you give here heading 3, it's 1.1.1, it's 1.1.2, like that. It will change like that. So after your work, you're able to change it anytime. I think it's okay to you. And you're seeing that they have a space, they have a more space, so you can also change that. How will change that? For that you have to go here, this is as this is for 2, so you'll go here heading 2, then from here modify, okay, from here modify, and after that it's done. After that you have to go here paragraph, okay, and from here you have to give here that data here. If you want to change according to your requirement, then you can give it, okay. This is auto, and for line this is single, this is double, okay. You can select a single, it's up to you, okay. So it's 0. by 0.4, you can change it from here, okay. This is the hanging portion, I think, and here the tab you can, okay, no need to, this is the left, okay, no need to change it from here. So it is done actually. After that you can go here also, tab, border, language, format, numbering, shortcut key, text, effect, font, paragraph. Actually here is everything in paragraph, you have to change everything in paragraph, okay. So left align a line and page break, so here the line and page break. If you just want to give here something, you can give, or no need to do anything from here. So I think it's okay for today, and in our next video I'll just show you that how we'll manage our paper, and also how we'll start writing our thesis paper, okay. So thank you very much, and also we'll show about the picture caption or anything, and how we'll add table of content, table of figure, table of content of table, like that. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.